Today we're learning about how we can use arrays to help us with our multiplication. Now, this is our multiplication sign. We can also call it times, and sometimes we say lots of or groups of. The first multiplication we're going to do is 3 multiplied by 2. 3 times 2 equals. Now, I've got some Skittles here. You could use something more healthy like raisins, but we're going to use our Skittles to help us make an array. This first number tells us how many columns. What does that first number say? That's right. It says 3. Then it says 2. So we've got 3 columns, but we need 2 in each row. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, to find out how many we've got all together, we need to count how many we've got all together. Now we can do that individually, or we could use our 2s if we know how to count in 2s. So I'm going to use my 2s. Are we ready? 2, 4, 6. So we've got 6 altogether. Now we could do our array in a different way, because we know that multiplication can be done in any order. So this time I'm going to do 2 columns with 3 in each. So I'm going to swap these around, look. There. Now I've got 2 columns and I've got 3 rows. Have I still got the same amount? Do I still have 6? Let's check. Now you could count them individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you could count in your 3s. 3, 6. So we can also write down 2 times 3 equals 6. Fantastic. Now, let's do one more. This time, I'm going to do 2 times 4 equals 2 multiplied by 4. So you tell me, how many columns should we have? Good. How many rows should we have? Well done, we should have 4 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. All orange ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 2 columns and 4 rows. Now, to count them, we can count them individually. Or if I know my 4s, I could count in 4s. 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we know that multiplication can be done in any order, so I'm going to swap this around and do it the other way. I'm going to make 4 columns and 2 rows. There we go. Have I still got the same amount of Skittles? Yes, I have. I've just done it the other way around. So let's see. I'm going to use my 2s to count to check I've still got the same amount. 2, 4, 6, 8. Well done. So 4, lots of 2, still makes 8. Now before we finish, I'm going to do one more, but I'm going to work the other way around. This time I'm going to make the array first. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 in a column. And then I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. Whoops, my rows are a bit wonky. Oh, I've got lots more to put down, haven't I? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All my rows are going a little bit wonky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's have a look at this array. How many columns do we have? That's right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. How many rows do we have? Well done, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what multiplication number sentence could I write? Good job. 4 times 5. 4 multiplied by 5. How am I going to work out my answer? Well done. We need to count how many is there all together, and if you can count in fives, that will make it quicker, because we know we've got 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. So let's use our fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. What's the other multiplication that I could write for this array? Well done. We know that we've got 5 rows with 4 in each. And I don't need to count them because they're the same. I haven't taken any away, I haven't added any. We know that there is still 20. Now I'd like you to have a go at making some of your own arrays at home and writing the 2 multiplication number sentences for each. You can use anything you like. You can use pasta, you can use raisins, you could use Lego, and probably something a little bit more healthy than me. So good luck with your arrays, and I look forward to seeing your maths work.